I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we're
Big Belly Bumbles.
See you later.
Big Belly Bumbles.
But then today, it's just pure ice. So he says he's going to get out if the temperatures warm up. We're hoping for some rain to come and melt some of this ice. He does have a propane heater up underneath there. Look at all these icicles. He does have a propane heater up underneath the truck. But even still, it's miserable working conditions. You know, I've said this many times too on our channel. It really would be a blessing to have an inside shop with a concrete floor. I mean, that would just be such a blessing. I mean, I know we have many blessings. I know that. And we do thank the Lord for his many blessings. You know, how does the song go? Count your blessings and name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done to count your blessings. So we know that we have many blessings to count for and to be grateful for. But especially on days like this, when it's not even quite 20 degrees and we have ice everywhere, when we have the semi-truck tarped up like a behemoth monster from the ice ages. Did you see what I did there? Ice ages. Isn't that funny? Sorry, I'm just making myself laugh here. On days like this, it's hard not to be covetous, and yes, that is the word. And yes, I know that thou shalt not covet. Yes, I'm a Christian. I know the 10 Commandments. I know thou shalt not covet, okay? I understand that. But in my humanity, I'm just admitting, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and admit, on days like this, it's hard not to be covetous of those people who have inside shops with concrete floors, and they can just drive their semis into their shop and have a roller scooter underneath the semi and can work at any hours in the shop that they want to because they have heat and a nice floor and a surface. So yes, okay, if the Lord wills, one of these days, I sure would like to have something like that for Stephen, okay? And if that's wrong for me to say that, then that's wrong for me to say that. But he says he's going to try to get back out here today. That's what he says. But if the rain doesn't come and knock off some of this ice, I just don't know. I don't know if he will be able to or not. And like